to show you guys how to get seedlings started inside. I'm outside because I've been working outside, but I'm gonna get this started and then I'm gonna take them in the house and show y'all what to do. So now is the time where you can get things started outside with direct seed, like a lot of your leafy vegetables like collard greens, kale, spinach, butter crunch lettuce, peas. A lot of the cooler weather vegetables you can get started now by just popping the seeds in the ground. But then you have seeds like this, peppers and tomatoes and watermelons that have a longer growing season, but you can't put them in the ground per se now because it's too cold, and if you do, they probably won't. As you can see on there, it says frost hardy. No, so you don't want to put these outside because they're not going to germinate with this cold temperature. The ground has to be a certain temperature. So what you want to do with seeds like this is you want to get them started inside and then transplant them later on in the season, so they already get a jump start on growing. Beans have like a 60 or a 90-day growing season. Peppers have a 120-day growing season. So you won't see any peppers until like August or something like that. Like, well, not August, but September, if you get some peppers in September. So we're gonna get this started. What you need is your seeds, a marker. You need this, a bowl of water, and a paper towel. We're gonna do the paper towel method. Hey guys, I'm taking my 2 full sheets of paper towels. I folded them up and placed them in the bowl of water, and now you can see me wringing out the excess water because you don't want too much water or it can and will cause mold, and you don't want that. And you just want to unfold it. That's me showing off that I have 2 full sheets. You want to unfold it and spread it out on a flat surface. Grab your seed packets. I like to open mine from the bottom just because I like to reuse the seed packets as labels. The back of those packets have a lot of information that I like to retain. You want to place the seeds on the paper towels. Make sure they're not touching and that they're spread out evenly with enough space. Fold it. Fold it again. And again. You're going to keep folding until you get a nice little square or rectangle big enough to put into the sandwich bag. Open up the sandwich bag, place it in there, and then you're just going to label it. I like to write the name, the date, and then I store it in a nice dark place. And that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.